Video games have come a long way since the days of Pac-Man and Frogger, and the profits in game development are astonishing. According to Rutgers Factbox, the global market for video games was worth $65 billion in June 2011.
The Wii Home video game console was released by Nintendo in November of 2006. The console made games more intuitive and increased the target audience for game developers. With the Wii controllers, non-traditional players of all ages and backgrounds became part of the gaming target market. The Wii has sold over 91.6 million units to date.
The Microsoft Kinect, released in November of 2010, took user interaction one step further. The gaming console provides hands-free control to users, so for the first time ever, there are no controllers or remotes. Instead, users interact with the system through motion.
During the first 60 days on the market, Microsoft Kinect sales averaged 130,000 units per day, making the Kinect the fastest-selling consumer electronic of all time. The introduction of the controller-free Kinect console will forever change the gaming industry.
Jackson Pollock used gestural abstraction, or action painting, to create his works of art. The style of painting is one in which paint is dribbled, splashed, or smeared on canvas to create a messy look. This action lends itself well to a controller-free application.
Drapes is a web-based action painting application that allows users to create messy looks. It is not a hands-free application.
JacksonPollock.org is another web-based action painting app currently available. It paints as the mouse is moved across the canvas and changes colors on mouse clicks. It takes advantage of painting algorithms to create drips and splatter. However, the user can't control which color is used, change the brush size, or save and undo changes made to the canvas. It is also available as a mobile application. For our design, the brush will be removed from the action through the use of the Kinect sensor.
The user will interact with the canvas through motion. When the control hand is down, the painting hand can paint on the canvas. If the control hand is raised above the shoulder, the menu comes up.
The user can then use this control hand to select an option from the menu. We found through extensive user testing that the ideal pause time for the user to make a selection should be around 2 seconds.
We will incorporate different painting algorithms to mimic the natural motion of paint on canvas. Different drips and random splatter will be created depending on the acceleration of the painting motion and the size of the brush used.
Hi, I'm Josh Rafe. I'm a computer engineer, and I am currently working on our painting algorithms to start making a more natural, real-life paint look. Using the Jackson Pollock web application as a baseline, we developed a painting algorithm that uses curves to create a more natural painting look and feel. In addition, we determined the width of the line based on the distance between 2 points to give the effect of velocity-based painting.
Hi, I'm Audrey Savane and I'm a computer science major. I've been working on the menu to allow the user to make different changes to the paint application so they can change the different brush sizes and paint color, save it, those type of things.
Qt was used to develop a wheel menu segmented into 5 different sections. The menu is composed of 16 separate SVG images, 3 for each button and 1 for a background image. The top button on the menu allows the user to select a different paint color or choose to have the paint color randomly generated for them. The right button on the menu will allow the user to change brush size. Although the thickness of the paint line is dependent on the velocity of the strokes, the user will have control over the baseline thickness. In addition, the user will also have the options to save and clear the canvas.
Hi, I'm James Sukup. I'm a senior here at UNL, and I'm the team leader for Kinect Force One, and I've mostly been working on the back end, interfacing with the hardware to deliver the images and information to the front end to be drawn by the GUI. We're using Microsoft Visual Studio to manage our project. Visual Studio allows tight integration with the Kinect SDK that's been released by Microsoft. On top of that, we're using Qt libraries, which provide customizable GUI components that can be added to any C++ project.
Hi, my name is Jinsheng Liu. I'm from China. I'm a senior computer science student from UNL. I've been working on the optimization of the program and some testing. Testing the printer application both using Kinect and the mouse. The problem with the Kinect is that it's not as accurate as mouse on the hand location because it doesn't send as many data points as the mouse. We are looking to resolve that, but overall, the users were more satisfied with the mouse version because it looks more natural. We also tested it with different weight of the brush. Since the menu is not fully working, we changed the weight from the code base. And this is how it looks like when we simultaneously interact with the canvas via the mouse and the Kinect.
Debugging a real-time application can sometimes be challenging. You need one user to sit at the computer and handle the debugging process, stepping forward through the program and checking values, while another user is interacting with the system, providing input.
In this version, we implemented a random color change every time a new line is created. In the final product, this will be an option, in addition to being able to explicitly set the color.